My name's Mark Smith and I'm a scalp micropigmentation artist based in Hollywood. I run a clinic called Micro and we treat various types of hair loss for both men and women who are suffering typically from types of alopecia and hair loss problems. By applying a series of dots or flecks to the scalp called impressions, we simulate what looks like hair follicles. This can give a bald man what looks like a shaved but full head of hair. We can add the appearance of more density to thinning hair for both ladies and men. The treatment can also be used to mask or camouflage scalp damage, such as various types of scars or burns. It's also fantastic in combination with a hair transplant. If you suffer with hair loss, this is a fast, easy and effective long-term solution that can give back confidence and self-esteem. If you would like to find out how we can help you, then get in touch and book a free consultation today. We'd be delighted to hear from you.